1, 2, 3, ready. What's up, guys?
Welcome back. We're here on another adventure. One of another California's cool touristy spots. I used to watch that show California's Gold when I was a kid because it was on PBS and we didn't have cable and that was the only thing that was on. But I remember he came down to this spot one. You didn't have a mattress. Just kidding. But come along with us. We're gonna go ahead and walk around. We're at the mystery spot here in Santa Cruz, California. We're gonna go ahead and show everybody what's this all about. Fortunately, we don't have any cell service out here, but I mean, it's a good time to disconnect. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Yeah, stressful weeks call for traveling. All right, we're gonna show you guys around a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and do this without any like audio. So let us know if you guys prefer that, and from time to time we'll pop in, but for the most part, just enjoy the ride.
All right, guys.
This is where you can make some TikTok dances. Get it?
I don't know how to do any TikTok dances.
A ver.
Which one do I know? I don't know any.
Yeah, you do.
Which one? Look.
No.
Ya, pues, ya está publicando.
Okay. Renegade, renegade.
That was like a TikTok dance from last year.
Oh man.
Do you feel in your element?
Síguele.
Do you feel like you belong in here?
No.
Climb these trees.
Not as much as you do.
Climb these trees as fast as you.
Gorilla. Bang on your chest. How do you go down?
Fishing line.
Watch him roll. Fernando in his natural habitat.
I was gonna try to do a pull-up, but the heck, how slippery it was. Oh no, hell no. Howdy, howdy. What's good? What's good? What's poppin'?
Go for it.
Come on, guys. Don't be scared. I don't bite you. That costs extra. I don't bite you. That costs extra. I got you. That I've never read. I can't read. That's why I'm working on it. Yeah, people, how we doing?
Good.
Cool. How you doing?
Good.
Cool. What's up? Awesome. Great. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Great. Doesn't matter. Out of curiosity, show of hands, who's been here before? How long ago? Years. Okay, nice. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, that's more than 1 year. Anybody else? Thank you, brother. Okay, so guys, I got some news. Oh, dude, can you feel it? So you can make it feel like you're...
I'm tired. I'm going back down.
My group, let's fight this group. Let's get it.
Yeah. How do you guys feel? It's a mystery.
I don't like mysteries.
Look at Nor. What's it? Oh, what is he doing?
If you want to tag me on Instagram, go for it. It's Dragon Slayer 6, alright? You guys are staring, probably can see two things about me right now. One, yeah, these are ladies' pants, very comfortable, but two, I'm leaning, right? You guys are too. Put your feet together, face this cabin. It's all kind of smooth that way, so we can go on. And look down. Your feet are shifted that way, right? That's kind of weird, huh? Now point your feet to the bottom of the hill. This one's a favorite for the older dudes because when they look down, they can see their toes for the first time in years. Now, put your feet to the top of the hill. Whoa! Your feet just disappear like my dad did. But if you go like this, you can almost hear the spirit of Michael Jackson.
Oh shit, he's right.
You guys know that he's my favorite underground artist?
I don't. What?
Not laughing, just being. Let's talk about this cabin. This cabin was actually built 30 feet up that way, broke away, slid down, and stopped. Now, a lot of people think that the tree stopped it, but he bought this land from a lumber company. They chop down trees. These trees here are pretty tall, but they're only 65 years old. Whereas this cabin slid down in 1940. Trees weren't here. What happened was this cabin hit the center of that mysterious force, so it held it in place. I have a demonstration to show you guys how powerful that force is, but I gotta make sure we're all pumped up and excited. I gotta be honest. There are some of us here who haven't been that excited. I'm not pointing them out, I don't point fingers. There are some of us. We're gonna make some sounds to really show this. These sounds go like ooh, lullaby. Say ooh twice. Count of 3, go ooh and ah as loud as you can for the board of mystery. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Grab a piece of wood, right? Pretty cool. Yeah. I know you're thinking, it's like, bro, this is a plank from Home Depot, but no, this is more than that. This is from Lowe's.
Oh no, that's better.
Yeah. That side's higher, and I can show you that with this thing here. So, brother, is that bubble going that way?
Yep.
Yeah, which means this side's higher because the bubble goes to the higher side. Can we all see that?
No.
Who said no? Do you? Cool, bro. So, this ball right here should roll down, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah, that ball's rolling back up. No, that's kind of weird, right?
Yeah.
I'm taking a video, go for it, yeah. Alright, gang, cuz, mystery spot. You know what? That ball could be rigged, right? Maybe there's a motor inside of it, maybe a magnet, maybe it's Maybelline. You guys look a little bit doubtful. I mean, you look doubtful, brother, so I want you to hold on to this. Does it feel normal? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to look left, look right, and then cough. I can show you the same thing. This is water. This right here is regular water from Santa Cruz, so it's vegan.
Keto friendly.
I'm going to pour one out for my homies. Let's see what happens. This one's for you, Mo. Whoa! Yo, that water turns to vodka. No! This was always vodka.
Listen, camera lady. What is it?
Huh? Yeah, well, it's
Like my
tricky.
jaw's like going this way.
It's true.
Ya estaba. Tenías así.
You can move it.
No.
I saw you laughing.
Yeah.
That you saw down there. And you're all standing that same way. In fact, you're standing the same way I am. So it's really cool if I lean forward. Listen very closely. You guys will have plenty of time to come up on here and try this thing. Appreciate it. Nobody try this out though, you might get hurt, alright? Let me go right there, brother. So, you guys are probably a little bit sick after being inside of the cabin, right? You might want to take a rest on this bench here. I don't blame you. It looks comfy, but this bench is weird. Who here thinks it's level? Raise your hands. Who thinks this side's the higher end? Raise your hands. Who thinks that side's the higher end? Raise your hands. Okay, some of you voted twice. You're probably from Florida. So where'd that bubble go? Way over there, right? So that means that side is the
Highest.
higher end, right? So this ball right here should roll down, right? Who thinks it'll roll back uphill? Raise your hands. Okay, now kids, you think it'll go back up? I'm going to tell you where you're going to go to college at now, okay? It's going downhill, dude, so that means you're going to go to UC Santa Cruz. So, lower end, higher end, right? So if I walk up to the higher end, I should appear to get taller, right? Yeah. So I'm 6'1" or 6'4" on Tinder. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm on Farmers Only. So I'm getting taller when I walk down and shorter when I walk up. Who can tell me? History.
The cabin behind you.
What's up, bro?
The angle of the.
This roof line, right, slanted. So as I go uphill, this roof line's going up as well because I'm raising the roof right now. Trick on your eyes or an optical illusion. I thought that for a long time, but then I realized we have the mystery spot, right? Stuff don't make no sense. To show you how it's real, I need one volunteer, my man, right there, man. Cool, bro. Okay, bro. What's your name? Jennifer. Cool. Put your hand out. Yeah, your hand out, right? Okay, so Jennifer's blocking off this roof line right there. So that visual trick's not going to affect her. It doesn't exist. Alright, so Jennifer, when this level gets even with your eyes just like that, I need you to scream out as loud as you can, alright? Not yet, Jennifer.
You need a video.
Okay, so if Jennifer walks uphill, the right level should be up here, right? Going to the higher end, getting taller. All right, Jen, come on up. Keep on going, Jen.
Oh, wow.
That sucks. Here's some great news. With this height loss comes a new job opportunity because they're making a TV series on the Lord of the Rings. They're asking for hobbits right now. Give Jennifer one. Thank you, Jennifer. You're still filming?
Yeah.
Alright, what's this? MTV Cribs, bro. So I'm gonna walk it right here, bro. You know, nice and long for some exercise. Get the calves going.
Got it!
It's okay. Everyone tells him the same thing.
I squat like 365. Mine will never grow.
Yeah. Some people just, it's different, man.
It's different. All hurt. Thank you.
Ready?